I'm learning how to open the box of his own toys. He's not gonna wait. He wanted now. For the first time, he's actually doing something. Fight for his own survival. Oh my god, he's gonna rip it all apart. Oh, he got it.
There's no chance of returning
He got
this.
it. Look, we're not returning it. He won't get out of the store if we won't buy it. I know it. Oh, he got one. Did he figure out where the car is?
I think it's under.
You're gonna figure out how to put that together. Oh, he did. He did. Look, look. He's gonna put it together to himself. Tony, you better run back and get that battery. I think he's gonna play in here.
Nah.
No, we do it all mode.
No, look. Look. He knows what he's doing.
Mark up the
It's
prices.
no. He's just not strong enough to put them together. But he knows what he's doing.
We gotta push them together.
He's on the car.
Got the car. Trying to open that car so
There
you
you
can
go.
get it open.
I'll help you, little baby.
You can't even do the tracks.
It is pretty hard. In his defense.
See, he's trying to figure it out the tracks himself again.
Wait, don't you have scissors in your...
You need scissors?
You couldn't do it, Andre? Why
No,
so
it's
hard
pretty
about
hard. Yep,
it? Darn.
that's what happens.
Let's try that again. All right.
Let's try that again.
Let's try a different approach. Kill me.
I don't have scissors. Normally I have it. Andy, you couldn't
All
find
right.
scissors?
Let's try something entirely different. There we go.
I told you, if you get that out and it won't run around, he will be very disappointed. You might
You
want to
shouldn't be playing it
run
here
back.
anyway.
You might want to run back and get it.
That's a marked up price, Mom.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
But he's gonna play now.
We shouldn't be playing now. I don't know why we opened. Let him open it.
Well, let's go so you can get it at home then. Because if you open that and it won't run around,
Whatever. Hold on to the bag so we can put the tracks back. All the garbage
open
can go.
everything.
He did.
He
didn't
wanted so bad. He's gonna do everything.
So what are these coming in groups of? 11. Which makes sense since there's
Oh, you're
220
supposed to
pieces.
put the stickers on those cars.
Let's see. 220 divided.
They only give you one car. You better not lose it.
Yep. Only one. The other box came with 2.
So, did you try to open the car? I mean, to turn it on? So it might come with a battery already. No battery. You need to go home. Okay, but let's go home.
Down to business.
We shouldn't be playing it now anyway.
Eat the bus.